Welcome back. Wednesday today, 6th of September. Let's go through the pairs, see what's been happening. Now, it looks like USD is picking up again. Finally, we're out of this consolidation. Potentially, there's going to be a pullback before going up, and it's also possible there might not be a pullback. I'm still going to enter here since the overall behavior of this market is towards up and an uptrend, and it finally broken out. There's a good enough chance for the price to continue up, so just gonna enter at market. Alright, so that's a buy on USD JPY. Also have a bullish momentum here on USD CAD, but we're at a strong resistance. I think I'll wait for it to either break or bounce, so we'll leave this be for now. USD CHF is definitely pushing up, and I do like the break of this structure. The candle is quite bullish too. I'm just gonna enter below this low at a 1-to-1. So that's a buy on USD CHF. Let's see AUD CHF. Well, it looks like it's good. We're following downtrend, finally starting to move. We also have a sell. Let's go for a sell here. Just gonna set the entry behind that level there and go for a simple 1-to-1. The candles here are much smaller. You wanna pay attention to that, because with the smaller candles, simple wicks can stop you out. So it's a good idea to have a stop loss a little bit larger than usual. So that's a sell on AUD CHF. We're still in consolidation here, even though it looks like it's breaking out. I'm staying away from this for now. This is a good move down in direction of the trend. I think I'll follow this down as well. So yesterday, RBA rate decision came out. Yes, I also follow those. So RBA rate decision came out without a change, and that would mean potentially interest rates are fixed for now, and that's bad for currency strength. And that's probably why AUD pairs are pushing. And usually when that happens, unless another news comes out, cancels this effect, momentum news for a few days. So as long as we have a good setup where we're gonna take these trades. So that's a sell on AUD CAD. Also like AUD USD, because USD's data has been good and AUD's data is bad, and that tells me that there's a high chance for this down to continue. Yesterday we also had a win on AUD USD because of the AUD news release. Gonna simply for this down. The sell seems logical, and the back of this downtrend we have additional confluence. So that's a sell also on a USD. AUD JPY, we are in a position since yesterday. Let's see what's been happening. Positions paused, still in green, but we'll maintain it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this be for now. No new entries. New Zealand CAD, I'm just gonna leave this be as well. We're in a bit of a consolidation here. Remember, my aim is to simply get on the legs, extensive moves, similar to this. I don't really care about one candle here or there missing a little bit of trade. There's always more opportunity in the future. The aim here is to avoid getting into silly trade. Nothing here too. The candles are too small. I wouldn't consider these strong momentum candles, like compared to these, for example. New Zealand USD, looks like USD is doing pretty well. So I had a winner as well yesterday on this one. I'm just gonna follow this up. Follow it down with another sell. We want to maximize the momentum profit we can get for the momentum in the market as much as possible before it changes its mind. Alright, that's a sell on New Zealand USD. Sideways movement here. New Zealand JPY, nothing to do. Euro pound, we're in profit. And I think I'm gonna add to this position as well, since we had a big wick rejection with a big body. I don't know if it's gonna break the zone, but we can give it a chance, considering that the overall movement is also down, so we're in a downtrend. Likelihood for that zone to break is there. So that's another sell on euro pound. Pound has not been doing well recently as well. No trades yet on euro CHF. Euro JPY, we're in a box, nothing to do. Euro AUD, uptrend, came back, maybe respecting this zone. That's why you should never buy against the trend. So I had a loss yesterday. Unfortunately, wasn't a good move, but let's see if we can recover on this pair with a buy here. Hopefully that goes well. Top, we've got some euro coming up, hopefully not. So that's a buy on euro AUD. Euro USD is pushing down well into our profit. Is it gonna break that zone? I'm not sure, so I'm not gonna go for a second position. I'll just maintain this, but I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. The reason is if the price bounces now, I don't want to be losing. This way we are risk free. The euro New Zealand, it's like it's starting to bounce from this zone, but it's a little bit uncertain, especially with this weak rejection now. I don't know if there's going to be follow through. So even though there's a bounce, there's no moment candle to realize. I'll leave it be for now. We're in enough trades as is. Euro CAD, the whole behavior is two-sided, way two-sided. So if it's breaking out of this small consolidation, tight consolidation, to try to go to one level or the other, I would rather wait for a good looking bearish candle, something strong. Not this is almost like an indecision, and we don't know if this is gonna be a fake out or a continuation. We'll see. Leave it for now. Pound JPY, looks like we're pushing up, but here's the thing. The thing is, every time there's a one push here and it flips around, push flips around, is this gonna flip around again to create a lower low? Maybe try to squeeze towards this zone. Possible. No need to risk it. Already enough trades. Pound AUD, with AUD being weak, this is a good opportunity to enter. Even though pound's not doing very well, can I still give this a try? Alright, that's a buy on pound AUD. Hopefully follows the trend up to at least reach that high. Try it again. Pound USD, we are in a downtrend on the pound USD, and USD is going strong for now, so I expect this to continue down. Nothing to do here really. I'm not entering a new trade here. Leave that be for now. Pound CAD, this is not going well. It did try to go down and it failed. Fair enough. I'm gonna close it. $3.44 loss, partial loss, very small loss. All good. Alright, so that is closed around here. Alright, so no trades on pound CAD, pound CHF. Just going sideways mostly. It's still in the middle here, right? In the middle of these two zones. I would much rather wait for it to get to one of these before I make any decisions. There's no need to trade this pair. Pound New Zealand, looks like it's broken, but is it really? Still in a tight consolidation. Leave it be. CAD CHF, do I have this alert idea? Still in a box. Wait for it to break out. CAD JPY, tightening. It's really tightening. Yeah, nothing to do. Still need to see more momentum. Not enough. CHF JPY, same thing. It's tightening up there. I have to wait for it to break out of the box. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Cheers.